Hey everyone, very good evening and welcome to your very own favorite channel. Yes, so we all know what today's session is about, another quiz. And we know the chapter on which this quiz is going to be, it's linear equations in one variable. So meanwhile we are talking, I think we all know the drill, how to join the Menti. So quickly go to menti.com, use the code 32757792 and once you have joined, just let me know in the chat that yes, we have joined. Hi Harsimran. Hello Alka, Advika, Aditya. Meanwhile, you keep joining. Yes. Advika, Abhishek Chabda has joined. Hi Papiya, Archana, Prakash, Mayank, Sweta, Pranjana, Garve joined. Yes, everybody quickly join it. Done. Papiya seems to be so excited today. Why is it so? Hi Tulu, Ritika, Raj, Smita, Shaurya. Yes, that's right, Sweta. Why is it so? What do you think? What the reason is? Hi, Palak. I'm doing good. Thank you. Just before the session was started, I was just getting bored, so I was just going through your chat. Yes, Aditya was asking 2x plus 3 is equals to Khushbu Ma'am. Why? Can you answer this? Why is it so? Hi, Bhavya. Hey, Ritika. Join. Quickly join it, everybody. Meanwhile, we are talking. Yes, I hope everybody knows how to join it. Keba, new here. Go to menti.com. It will ask you for a code. Use this code, which is written on the slide. Why am I excited? Acha, it's Menti today. Menti disco party. Yeah. Hi, Harsimran. I'm doing good. Thank you. So, Smita, it was already given there. What is anything new? Tell me the reason. Why is it so? Tomorrow you have your math exam. All the very best. I hope you are prepared well for it. So, meanwhile, we are talking. So, once you have joined the Menti, it will redirect you to a page wherein you have to fill in all your details. Details as in your name, your phone number, your grade and your area pin code. I think the students who have joined it earlier, they would know it, right? For the ones who are new here, quickly, you have to be really quick here because once I move to the next slide, you won't be able to fill in your details and these details are important because we are going to get the BYJU'S goodies. Yes? Math exam was today. I hope it went well, Shriyasi. Yes, Bhavya is done. That is the value, Aditya. Oh. Yes, I'm waiting. Don't worry. You take your time. I'm going to wait here for another 15-20 seconds. So once you have filled the details, just let me know in the chat that yes, ma'am, filled. Just write filled. I'll understand. Yes, quickly, everybody. Join it. Next week is a math exam. And sorry, Agash, I could not read the entire comment. Elena, Ritika, Yukta. Yes, Aditya, we have understood that. I asked you the reason. Come on, give me some interesting reason at least. Filled, Advika, Shaurya. Okay, so you have learned the same topic. Wow. So, Papiya is actually revised, as we can say. Done, yeah. Filled, everybody, yes. I'm assuming that everybody is done with it. Shall I move ahead? Quickly give me thumbs up. Oh, that's right, because I'm the maths teacher. What else? Same amount. What amount? Yes, Aditya done. Shaurya done. Filled. Good to go. Not done. Shaurya saying not done. Okay. Preetham not done. Take your time. I'll wait here another 10 seconds. See, details are pretty simple. Just the name, your grade, your phone number, your area pin code. Quickly, everybody. Yes? From all the PDFs of the session, wow. So here I can say that these PDFs are actually helpful for you, isn't it? So just before the exams, we can just go through the notes at least. Keba, if you have any doubts, you can post in the chat here or in the comment section after the session as well. Not on the Telegram channel. No. Done? I'm assuming that everybody is done with it. Yes? Yes, it's like a test only. Absolutely. No, Archana. Correct, Sweta. Seems difficult in the math equation, yeah? Think about it. After the session also you can write in the comment section. What does it actually mean? All right, so let's move ahead for now. So just an important update for you. It's regarding BYJU'S classes to Teacher Advantage. I know बहुत बार we have talked about it earlier as well. The students who are regularly coming for the classes, so they to know it, right, what ma'am is going to talk about. But today, what difference here is, now we have giving you 3 sessions for rupees 399. The best thing is still you can choose the class timings as per your convenience and for whatever subject you want to take the class. And before you subscribe to the package, let me tell you what all benefits we have here. It's of course 2 Teacher Advantage. One teacher is teaching you, another one taking your doubts. So obviously doubt clarification sessions you're getting. Your evaluation would be done based on the mock test, would be taken repeatedly, and one-on-one by guidance from the personal mentor also you are getting. Yes. Palak seems to be pretty excited today. Yeah? What is the reason, Palak? Easy or tough questions? Let's start with the quiz, then we will see it. Alright, so link for this is given in the description. Please go check that out if you haven't yet. Alright, and I hope everybody has joined the Telegram channel. The students still missing YT free. So we told you it was a limited period offer. I hope everybody has actually registered for it. Thank you, Bhavya. Yes, 12.3k subscribers, and it's all possible because of your all love and support. So please, I would request you to share it in your school groups with your friends also, because these are free sessions. So others can also watch it. They can also take the benefit of it, right? And quickly join the Telegram channel. Those who haven't joined yet, so many things we share over here. Some interesting videos as well we upload here. Those who have joined it, they would know it. Session PDFs were shared, revision questions, Sunday facts, quizzes, homework questions, of course, session updates as well. Like somebody mentioned that before coming for the quiz, he just quickly went through all the PDFs that we have shared for this particular chapter. So these things are actually very fruitful just before your exam. Understanding quadrilateral. All the very best. Sunday facts is amazing. Great, great. All right, for now, let's not waste any more time here. Let's get started. So in all, we are going to have 10 questions. 10 questions in the Menti. All right, so I like these cute icons over here. Okay, so let's get started with our first question. The total number of variables in the equation 3a plus b plus 6ab equal to 0 is. Equation is there. You just have to tell the number of variables over here. I hope we all know what variables are. Pretty simple question. Robot. Yeah. Quickly, everybody. Done. I can see many people are saying they are done with it. But it's a pretty simple question. Some are saying tricky. Shaurya is saying tricky. It's not a trickier one. It's a simple question. So we can see answer over here. So why do we have confusions here? Simply 2 variables we can see. It's A and B, right? So we have got 2 variables. What is the confusion? Why, Preetham? Why 3? You right, Komal? Yes, it's 2. 2 variables are over here. Not 3. Variables. A and B are the variables here, right? So there are only 2 variables, not 3. Why would you say 3? We have 2 Shaurya. Shaurya Dwivedi and who is the other one? Yes, that was just a piece of cake, right? Got confused with 3AB. So we are considering only variables. Variables are A and B only. I hope now it's clear. If you come across such kind of questions ever, you know how to answer them, right? Yes, just count the number of variables. All right, let's move ahead. Let's quickly take a look at question number 2 now. Hi Disha, the value of the variable after solving the equation 2x plus 3 equal to 3x plus 2 is. What is the value of the variable going to be? That means the value of x we are asking here. Yes, quickly everybody, what is the value of x? Cannot fill in your name, why is it so? Done? People are saying, ye to bahut simple hai, right? Don't worry, gradually we will increase the level of the questions. If Palak is saying these are simple, Palak, you should be there on the leaderboard in that case. Yes, Disha, absolutely. This is unit test. This session is a part of unit test league. So if you want the BYJU'S goodies, don't miss any of these sessions. Oh, Papia is also finding this question simple. Okay. Done, done, done. Another 12 seconds. Quickly, everybody. Dhirendra, Shaurya. Shaurya Arts and Shaurya Divedi. We have got 2 Shauryas here. Okay. All right. So we can see answers here, right? And some students are still confused, though it was a simple one. So variable is x here, whose value we have to find out. So let's take variables on one side, constants on one side. 3x minus 2x equal to 3 minus 2. That's going to give you 1. That's the value of x. A pretty simple one. How could you go wrong here? That was a very simple question. Let's move ahead. Let's take a look at another question, number 3 now. Yes, solve for x. X plus 3 upon 3x plus 5 equal to 3 by 5. Now this is a pretty calculative one. Yes. So gradually you can see that I'm increasing the level of the questions. Yes. Till now nobody has answered. I know that this is going to take time. Advika is done. Wow. Preetham, it's pretty simple. Okay, you want me to give you a hint? There's nothing difficult. We have to look for the value of x. How do you do that? You can cross multiply them and do it. I know that I've given a straight hint, but the time was about to over. It's okay even if I give you a hint. So answer over here. We can see that the value of x. Alright, let's quickly take a look. On cross multiplication, we get 5x plus 15 equal to 9x plus 15. Let's take variables on one side, constants on one side. What do you get? X equal to 0. See, this was not difficult, I would say. Not difficult actually. But the only thing where you could go wrong is in the calculation. That's it. You would also agree to this. Bye, Disha. Yes. Didn't get time to click the answer. Oh. We need to work on our speed. Time was less. See, that's what I told you. In such kind of questions, the calculation part is going to be a little tougher for you. Sure. I'll wait for 2-3 seconds so that you can fill in your name. Alright, let's move ahead. Let's quickly take a look at the leaderboard now. Yes, Tulu, right. Cross multiplication. Okay, let's see who's going to be at the top this time. Oh, yes, Abhishek Chabra is the fastest. He's the one who has given the maximum right answers in room. Aditya, Raj, Advika, Shaurya. Which Shaurya is it? Shaurya Arts, Shaurya Divedi. Mayank, Ribit, Subhashri and Tom. Awesome. You all are doing a really good job. Yes. Shaurya Arts. Okay. How to join, Subha Lakshmi? That's pretty simple. Go to menti.com. So, to join the quiz, it will ask you for a code. The code is written at the top of the slide, 32757792. Just have to put this code to join. Alright, let's move ahead. Let's quickly take a look at the next question. That is question number 4. Quickly fill in your details. Yes. Alright, let's take a look at the 4th question now. Which of the following is not an equation? Okay, Dusra Shaurya is in 12th place. It's okay. Yes, everybody, a simple question. Which is not an equation? If we know what equation is, what an expression is, you will actually not require this much of time to answer this question. I can see that people have started giving answers. Done. Great. Good speed, I can say. Komal, Mayank, Himanshi, Advika, Sweta. Alright. Yes, and I can see very nice. So many students have given the right answer this time. Which is not an equation. That means mostly this is clear to us what an equation is, what an expression is. When we talk about an algebraic expression, it consists of variables, numbers, operators, right? When we say an algebraic expression, when we talk about an algebraic equation, you just have to simply equate that algebraic expression to 0, right? Or to another algebraic expression. So equal to symbol would be there. There would be something after that, whether it's 0 or another algebraic expression. That's what we called an equation. But this is an expression, right? It's not an equation. Correct? Alright, let's move ahead. Let's take a look at another question. Question number 5. Yes. The perimeter of rectangular swimming pool is 64 meter. If length and breadth are in the ratio 5:3, then find the length of the pool in meters. 60 seconds you have got to answer this question. And trust me, it is not difficult. But yes, this will require 60 seconds to answer. It is time consuming, calculative as well. If you are good with word problems, you will not face any problem solving this question, I'm sure. Yes, Shaurya, Sweta, done. Papiya, done. Advika, done. Aditya is done with it. Shreyasi, Advika, yes. Everybody. How come you solved this so fast? Sure or not sure of your answer? See, still you have got 22 seconds left. You can recheck what you have solved. You can go through you can go through whatever you have written all over again. Check it once. You have got ample time. Yes. Sindhu Bhai, Sweta, Shaurya Arts, Tulu. Everybody, quickly. Another 5 seconds. I know that word problem is generally the most challenging part when it comes to algebra. Okay, so time is up. Here, yes, we can see that it's actually difficult. I know. From the student's perspective, if I talk about word problems, this is where we mostly get stuck. Okay, let's take a look at the result. You can just cross-check what you have solved. Length of the pool. We don't know what the length is, but we know the ratio of length and breadth. Let's assume that here the ratio be x. So length and breadth are going to be 5x and 3x. Perimeter for the entire rectangular swimming pool is 64. What is perimeter for a rectangle? It's 2 times length plus breadth. So I can say that 2 times of 5x plus 3x is going to be equal to 64. You just have to simplify that. That gives you the value of x. That's 4. So once I have the value of x, I can find out the length from there. That's going to be 5x, which is 5 times 4. That's 20 meters. Simple one. Yes, Yukta, yours was wrong. Tulu correct. Palak correct. Prajna correct. Aditya misclick. It's okay. It's okay. Raj done. Sweta correct. Papaya, silly mistake this time. Oh, Shaurya. Komal, silly mistake. Oh, Shaurya Arts. Bhavya. It's okay. See, at least I'm liking this thing that you are admitting that you have done a mistake here, right? So even after you can take a screenshot if you want, or you can, after the session also, you can go through these kind of questions, right? Now that you know that whether I'm doing a wrong calculation or whether I did not know how to start this, so you can practice these kind of questions after the session also. All right, let's move ahead. Let's quickly take a look at question number 6 now. It's okay, Palak. That's fine. Anita thinks of a number and subtracts 3 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 5 times the same number she thought of. What is the number she thought of? Let me tell you one thing. When you come across word problems, and especially like this one, which, seems like a very twisted one, a lot of things are mentioned over here. Better way to do is do literal translation of the statement, word by word translation. Convert that into mathematical form. Once the equation is formed, the half of the job is done. It's pretty simple. It's not difficult. Yes, Adhika done. Papaya done. Palak. Yes, everybody, quickly. Sweta loves word problems. Yes, Tulu, Shaurya Arts. Not sure. Mentioned in the maths notes also, Pranjana. That means you keep revising them. That's good. Another 6 seconds. I think people are still solving it. Riyan is done. Sindhu Bhai, yes. Mayank, oh. What happened? Difficult one, right? Difficult to form the equation. Okay, let's start from here. What is the number she thought of? We don't know what that number is. Let's suppose Anita thought of a number that is x. Let's take that number x. Write along with me. You'll be able to understand that better then. She subtracts, Anita thinks of a number, that number is x, subtracts 3 by 2 from it. So, just like it is mentioned in the question, we will go according to that. Let's subtract 3 by 2 from it. So, x minus 3 by 2, this is done. She multiplies the result by 8. Let's multiply this by 8. So, x minus 3 by 2 times 8. The result obtained is 5 times the same number she thought of. So, what the result she is getting? It's 5 times the same number she thought of. What the number she thought of was x. That's going to be 5x. Let's just simplify this. Simplification is normal, so x is going to be equals to 4. You did it mentally. Wow, Papaya. Amazing. Yes, correct, Rukaya. Yukta, you got correct. Sandhubhai got correct. Aditya got it right. Wow. Awesome. Any doubts still here? Anybody? See, if you have any confusions, please post that in the chat section. Shaurya, it's okay. But now you have understood where you went wrong. Time was not less. It's just that when we come across such kind of questions, first of all, we are not able to understand the question. We feel that a lot of information is given. Where do I start from? Right? Jaldbazi mein wrong hua. It's okay. That's why I say read it carefully. Okay, Arpita. Understood. All right, let's move ahead. Let's quickly take a look at the leaderboard. What do you think? Who is going to be at the top this time? All right, all right. So, fastest is Debankar and Saraswata Sadhu is the one who has given maximum right answers. Then Aditya, Debankar, Raj, Advika, Kiba, Mayank, Nirmal, Mukul and Shaurya Divedi. Wow, awesome. Yes, any doubts? Some are saying previous one. So, number that we are thinking of is x. Question says subtract 3 by 2 from it. We subtracted 3 by 2. Multiply the number by 8. We multiplied by 8. And it says the result that we thought of is 5 times of the number the result is 5 times of the number she thought of. That's 5x. Let's equate them and simplify this. It's pretty simple. I'm just converting whatever is written in the statement in the mathematical form. That's nice. 38 to 33. Wow. See, it is improving. Just after solving 6 questions, your position is getting better. Your rank is getting better. Smruti, all right. That's nice, Komal. That's the spirit. All right, let's move ahead. The present age of Vinay's mother is 3 times the present age of Vinay. After 5 years, some of their ages will be 70 years. Find their present ages. This, I can say this is a difficult one. Here you might face some difficulty because, the way the statement is given, it is itself confusing. So you might face difficulty converting that into a mathematical equation first. But some are saying it's easy, bahut easy hai, we are done. Wow. Advika, Mayank, Pranjana, Adhiraj. You all are pretty fast, I must say. Yes, Smruti is done. Palak. Mentally kar liya. Wow, Mayank. Awesome. Shaurya, Arts, Yukta, Archana, Aditya, Dhirendra, Papiya. Shaurya Dwivedi is also done. Smruti is done. Raj, 4 on 4. Tukka. Why Tukka? Try solving this. Hit and tried. Got the answer. Okay, let's see how correct you are. So right answer is 34. Is that correct? Palak, Mayank, who did this mentally? So here we don't know what Vinay's present age is. Let's say that is x. Vinay's mother is 3 times Vinay's present age. She's going to be 3x. After 5 years. When I'm saying after 5 years, we're going to add 5 in both of their ages. So Vinay's age is going to be x plus 5. Vinay's mother's age is going to be 3x plus 5. Both of them will get, obviously, their age will increase by 5 years for both of them. Then the sum of their ages would be 70. Let's add them up. X plus 5 plus 3x plus 5, that's 70. On simplifying, you get 3x. X is 15, that's Vinay's age. Mother's age would be 3x, that's 3 times 15, that's 45 years. No need to calculate. Wow, Adhiraj. Bhavya, mentally incorrect. Prakash, click the answer. Okay. Acha, correct aata hai, but time ki wajah se. So that's why you're doing it mentally, Palak. Palak, is it so? Alright, no worries. See, your goal should not be on the leaderboard. Your goal should be how well we are understanding things, right? So, 20 years from now, Rahul will become 3 years as old as he is now. His present age is dash years. Again, another trickier one. I know that generally, when it comes to word problems, I think that's the most challenging part that we face in algebra, right? Generally, students don't like word problems. They find it difficult because understanding the statements is itself confusing. Still, here people are saying it's easy. I don't know how come you're finding this easy. Generally, generally students find them difficult. Advika done, Aditya, Dhirendra is saying easy. Shaurya done, Papiya, Palak, Smeta, Mayank, Aditya, yes, everybody. Raj, Smeta, Yukta. Hit and try is OP method. Acha, all right. Mayank is doing hit and try in every question. Komal, Bhavya, Adhiraj. 7th mein okay bhi easy hai. Wow, I like your confidence. You like word problems. That's nice. 32 years, 10 years is the answer. Okay, now you can check where you went wrong. When we are saying 20 years from now, Rahul will become 3 times as old as he is now. We don't know what Rahul's age is. Let's say right now he's x years old. So after 20 years, he's going to be definitely x plus 20. We'll increase 20 to it. According to question, Rahul will become 3 times as old as he is now. So 3x, 3 times as old as he, that means x plus 20 would be equal to 3x. Let's rearrange them. Let's take variables on one side, constants on one side. Right? That's going to be x equals to 10. So 10 years would be the answer. You just want leaderboard. Bas leaderboard dikha do. All right. Done in 9 seconds. 9 seconds is actually good. You're enjoying it. Yes, Adhiraj? See, if you're liking the session, quickly hit the like button, everybody. Yes, if you're enjoying the session, you're liking this quiz, quickly hit the like button. I'm going to check who all are actually have done it or not. And you can also share it in your school groups as well, with your friends also. So they can also take the advantage of it. These are actually free sessions, right? Quickly, everybody. Yes, Papiya saying like, Bhavya, done. Done. Mayank, Shaurya, yes. Yes, everybody. Wow, that's nice. And share it in your school groups as well. I'm sure you must have some friends groups. We all have that, right? You can share it with your friends. Let them also join the class. 5 on 8. Pretty good number. All right. Let's move ahead. Let's quickly take a look at question number 9 now. Smita has shared. Adhiraj always shares. That's nice. Solve for x. X plus 5 by 6 minus x plus 1 by 9 equal to x plus 3 by 4. I know that this is it looks like a simple one, but when you do the calculations, it's going to be time consuming. Please calmly solve this. पहले ही शेयर कर देते हैं because you know that a session amazing होने वाला है. Wow, that's nice. Thank you, Palak. Adhiraj always shares. Advika has shared. That's good. Quickly, everyone. Yes. Thanks to BYJU'S for helping me in my revision during exam. I really like this series, unit test league. Thank you, Shweta. I'm glad that these sessions that we are doing here, whatever effort we are putting in here, it's actually helpful. It's actually fruitful for you. Because why we came up with this unit test series, the only reason is so that we can prepare you for your upcoming exams. So here when you are coming, like you're coming for just for one session for 30 minutes or something, that we can revise the entire chapter. We cover all the different type of questions that we can do over here. This is the right answer. Now you can see that these kind of questions, maximum students are getting stuck here. Please jot down this question. You can not just this question, you can just practice these type of questions after the session also. Right now, let's take a look where we went wrong. So on both the sides, we can see we have got denominators. So first of all, we'll make the denominator same too, because we cannot straight away cross multiply this. So LCM for 6, 9 and 4, that's going to be 36. Let's multiply on 36 on both the sides. What will I get? That would be 36 times x plus 5 by 6. Thus 36 will be multiplied with each one of them. Minus 36 times x plus 1 by 9 equal to 4 and 36 will cancel out in the first step. So we will get 9x plus 27. And in the second step, 6 and 36 will cancel out, right? You will have 6 times 1, 6 times 6, that's 36. 9 times 1, 9 times 4. Then you open this up. And while you're opening this up, be careful with the signs because outside the bracket, there's a negative sign. So once you open this up, the signs will change, right? Simplify this, you will get 7x equal to minus 1, so x will be minus 1 by 7. I know that this was a very calculative one. If you have any doubts, please post that in the chat section. I don't know, Papiya, how your tukkas work always. Yes. Smita, I know that these kind of questions, that's what I told you. That they're not difficult, but yes, they require practice. Yes, Subha Lakshmi, absolutely. See, we cannot cross multiply straight away, so we have to make the denominators same first. For that, we are taking LCM of 6, 9 and 36. And 4. That's going to be 36. Let's multiply 36 on both sides. That's 36 will be multiplied with each of the brackets. So be careful with that because there would be signs which we have to change. Yes. So that's going to be what? Then 6x plus 30 minus 4x minus 4 equal to 9x plus 27. So x would be minus 1 by 7. Yes. Selected topper, Shaurya. Correct. Agree with you. Vardhan hai Papiya ko. His tukkas always work. So one thing I could see here in this question, yes, this requires focus. Yes. Second thing, you have to be careful with the signs. third thing, these kind of questions require practice. Just by solving one or two questions, still I'm telling you, if you come across with a complex question, if I give you one more question, you might get stuck there as well. So please do practice such kind of questions from your NCERT book or whichever book you're using, any reference book or something. Yes? That's pretty good, Sweta. Absolutely. 14 seconds is good for such kind of questions. Question number 10. Let's quickly take a look at the last question of today's quiz. There are 40 passengers in a bus. Some have tickets worth rupees 3, remaining worth rupees 10. The total collection from these passengers is rupees 295. Find how many passengers have tickets worth rupees 3. Quickly, everybody. It's again a word problem. Yes, at final, right? Yes. Yes, Apostles Academy, whichever book you want to use, whether you're using R.D. Sharma, R.S. Agarwal, whichever book it is, all are good. Or if some students are using BYJU'S book, yes, you can do that. Practice, but make it a point that we have to practice such kind of questions. Otherwise, I'm telling you, if I give you another one, you will get stuck again. Mayank is saying easy. Yes, Sindhu Bhai, easy. Sorry, Arpita. Am I correct? Yes. My God, I have to remember a lot of names because you use different, IDs are different, names are different. That's good, Smita. BYJU'S book is amazing. Thank you. Again, hit and try. Oh my God. So, Pappiya, ke sare tukke are working and Mayank is doing hit and try for every question. Quickly, everyone. Some people are done with it. Well, we have got another 4 seconds. 3 seconds, 2, 1, and yes, time is up. So what is the right answer? Okay, option C. That's the correct one. I know that it was a difficult one, so I was not expecting that everyone would give the right answer, but still. Now let's try to understand this. Total 40 passengers are there in a bus. The cost of tickets are rupees 3 and rupees 10, right? Total collection from the passengers, the total money collection is rupees 295. How many passengers have got the tickets worth rupees 3? Let's suppose the passengers who got the ticket for rupees 3, they are X. So remaining who got the ticket for rupees 10, they are going to be 40 minus X. Reason being there are total 40 passengers. Total money collection is 295. So 3 times X is the money. 10 plus 10 times 40 minus X, that is also the money collection worth rupees, 10 rupee tickets, right? That's equal to 295. Now comes the simplification part. All solving, you get X equals to 15. So these are the number of passengers with tickets worth rupees 3. Yes, BYJU'S book, you just love it. Wow, great. Yes, Papaya, please tell other students also. I don't know how come your tukkas are always working. Hit and try are working for all the word problems. See, they will work, Mayank, until only when we have the multiple choice questions, right? When it is a subjective paper, then obviously, then you will be writing each and everything. You will not have any idea about the answers. Correct? Tukka Bhagwan ki. Nice one. All right. So this was the last question of today's quiz. Now let me show you the leaderboard. Okay. What do you think? Who is going to win this time? Oh, Aditya Rai. Wow, Aditya. Awesome. Amazing. Yes, though you all have been doing really good. See, the one last thing I would like to say here is in this entire quiz, the 10 questions that we covered, they are covering the entire chapter nicely. I mean, all the type of questions that we have. Now, you could see from here where you are going wrong. You could see your mistakes. Please do practice such kind of questions. I mean, those type of questions from your books so that you have you get a good understanding of those type of questions and you do not repeat the same mistakes in your paper. Yes? All right. So we have got you covered. This is something we always say, and you can see that the type of sessions that we are coming up here with. So many sessions we have planned for you from every Monday to Friday to make you exam ready. And our next session is at 7 p.m. Now 7 p.m. So we are meeting in another 20-25 minutes, and we will be discussing how to overcome the bad results. So many students are asking me today also, who are feeling demotivated because of their bad results. So don't worry, we are going to share some interesting tips with you, and I'm sure that that session that we are going to have, it's actually going to motivate you. Yes? So we are going to meet in another 20 minutes. All right, all right. So link for the Telegram channel there in the description. Please do join it. And link for BYJU'S classes to Teacher Advantage. For this as well, link is there in the description. Please do go check that out. Yes, I will be taking. Yes, Komal, absolutely. All right, so quickly hit the like button, share it with your friends in your school groups, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. So I'll see you in another 20 minutes. All right. See you. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you, Advika.